Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport GT concept gets the Golf R's 300 horsepower engine. Volkswagen crafts a performance-oriented version of its coupe SUV, sticking the Golf R's turbo 4-cylinder under the hood and upgrading the suspension and brakes. The Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport GT ditches the third row of seats found in the standard Atlas in favor of a more rakish, coupe-like roofline. However, it uses the same 235 horsepower 4-cylinder and optional 276 horsepower V6, so the coupe-ified Atlas isn't much more athletic than the 3-row model. That changes with the new Atlas Cross Sport GT concept, unveiled today by Volkswagen. Inspired by the launch of the Golf R, the GT concept receives a host of upgrades to create a crossover that could appeal to our performance enthusiast base, as explained by Volkswagen Group of America CEO Scott Keogh. The Cross Sport GT was hand-painted at the Chattanooga factory in Eisvogelblau, or Kingfisher Blue, which is also available on certain European Volkswagen products. The suspension is lowered as well, featuring custom ST suspension XTA plus 3 coilovers with blue, GT concept, branded springs. The front brakes have been upgraded to Terex 8-piston calipers. Along with the stunning blue paint job, the exterior features unique GT badging and gloss black trim pieces in place of chrome. Eisvogelblau is also found throughout the interior, adorning the special Recaro Sportster CS seats, custom gearshift, steering wheel, door panels, floor mats, and seat belts. The rear bench has been removed, with 2 Recaros taking its place to make this a 4-passenger car, and the GT gains a center console in the second row which mimics the design of the one found up front. Volkswagen points out that none of the modified interior pieces use animal-based materials. Although the Cross Sport GT concept seems more like a project cooked up by VW employees in their spare time, it shows that the company is exploring how to make its SUV lineup attractive to the enthusiasts who snap up GTIs and Golf RS. Maybe with strong enough feedback, VW might consider building a sportier Atlas R, since it already sells or models of the T-Roc, Tiguan, and Touareg crossovers for the Europe market.
Subscribe to Auto TV.
Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.